what's your name?
My name is Zippo.
Zippo, how old are you?
I am 6 years old.
Good, and how are you today?
I am happy.
Good. Are you hot or cold? Are you hot?
Hot.
I am.
Hot.
Very good. Zippo, what color do you like?
I like purple.
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 And what animal do you like?
I like cat.
Very good. And what animal do you not like?
I don't
Like
elephants.
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 Good. What food do you like?
I like lollipop.
Lollipops.
Lollipops.
Good. And what drink do you like?
I like drinks.
I like,
Drinks.
not drinks. I like. What drink do you like? Drink. Orange juice or milk, water,
I
soda.
drinks. Strawberry.
I like strawberry drinks.
I like strawberry drinks.
Very good. Okay, Zippo, what is it?
Is a seesaw.
What is it?
It is a sandbox.
Good. What is it?
It is a bus.
School bus.
School bus.
Good. What is it?
Is a music room.
Good job. What is it?
Is a friend.
Good. What is it?
It is a teacher.
Good.
It is a classroom.
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 What is it?
Is a playground.
Playground. Very good. Okay, let's read a story. I
can see my ball. I like my ball. I can see my duck. I like my duck. I can see my blocks.
Good.
I like my blocks. I like my toys.
Very good. What toy do you like?
I like dolls.
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 Very good. Okay, Zippo, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Good job. Well done.